Hello, Mechanicsburg brethren in Christ. I'm Dr. Jesse Gill, and I'm looking forward to being with you on Saturday, December the 7th, for a marriage workshop at your church. We're going to be talking about face to face, the 7 keys to a secure marriage. This is all about embracing the power of attachment to grow you, connect you, and even help you break free from painful patterns of conflict that may have locked you out from your spouse's heart for many years. Attachment is God's design for bonding from the time that we're little all the way through our adult years. And the goal is to help you be more vulnerable with your spouse so that you can draw them towards you instead of pushing them away or shutting down. We want you to be face to face. We want you to be connected. We want you to be able to flourish and grow and embrace this beautiful gift that God has given you, your marriage to one another. So come out, invest in yourselves, invest in this time. We're going to learn a lot. We're going to laugh. We're going to do some exercises. Also, lunch is included and childcare. This is amazing. Check out the events tab at mcbic.org, mcbic.org for the registration. I can't wait to see you there. God bless you.